Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. Muhammad Khan, naturopathic, and I hope all is well. Today we are going to talk about love hormone. How to our body in making the love, the who making the hormone. So our body in you know there is hormone dopamine. Dopamine is making our love because someone we are see and we feeling the love. And second, the serotonin that making our relationship. That hormone serotonin yani making our relationship. If someone see we love someone and we feeling about him love, so this one serotonin is making for us the relationship. And there is oxytocin making like we feel yani someone we touching hand or something touching body, this one feeling who giving, this making oxytocin. This hormone is releasing our body to feelings. And when we are coming break up, then oxytocin and dopamine, their hormone decrease. When we are decrease, we are coming crazy, we are coming angry, we are fighting, our love is yani destroy. So this all work doing our body in the hormone. Without hormone we cannot make our love in not coming, not feeling coming, not coming, because this all our releasing or hormone, this our from our body. This is we are love someone, and there is our body making strong, which one that is the adrenaline, yani adrenaline activity coming our body. Sometimes we have danger something, our body suddenly coming power, this is coming adrenaline rush, is the activity coming, then our body coming strong. Then our body have somotropin, our body height making, your body height increasing, this is somotropin hormone. And the for sex coming estrogen for the girls, women yani. And for the men testosterone yani for the men. And this is yani feelings sex or the women and men body not same, there is different power, different body, and anything, even medicine, our food working also different. So and the feelings also different. So dopamine and the melatonin, this for our sleeping, how do we sleep, because all hormone releasing from the brain. So this all our body in coming for our making our body is the they are coming good feeling or bad feelings. So sometime our body in have more hormone and good hormone, so we love each other, we love our family coming great, we love each other, and our relationship coming good, our family coming good. This all there is more also have the hormone, but our this is the best, our hormone is dopamine yani our everyone we have, if we feel someone we see, our one we see first time, our body in coming, our heart feeling, oh this she is beautiful and she is good lady and she is great lady, our this is my dream, this is all who making, this is love coming from the dopamine. This is for the called the hormone of love. So this dopamine our body in making hormone. And the serotonin making for our body in the relationship. Any somebody I see, I love her and I have with her relationship. And oxytocin our body in, if I feel my wife, she is my wife, we are touching, our touching feeling, this all making from the oxytocin. This all hormone our body in release from the brain, and without the hormone you cannot make the love. So everything our, if there is hormone releasing also, this increasing also, decreasing also. So all hormone we need our body in the hormone. So that's why hormone you are coming good, how you coming, because if you are the stay with the nature, you stay with the nature, eat with the nature. Without, if you not stay with the nature, always you are eating acidic, your pH level also not coming good, and your love, your our relationship all going bad. because we are eating bad things. So always we have to stay with the nature, walk with the nature, make meditation, make workout, and eat nature. You must eat the green vegetables, green raw vegetable. You have to more raw vegetable and fruits. Keep your lifestyle great, and so always you are never getting any problems. Your family is happy, your beauty is happy, your hair is looking beautiful, your skin looking beautiful. You don't have your body growing more and more beauty coming. And if you love yourself, how do you increase your hormone? Must be with the nature. If you are eating your acidic, your hormone never coming, the never increasing, because our body, all our life, all is spoiling. So we have to our life with the start with the nature. And good night. See you next time.